Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh and welcome to Zero to Cloud. You probably noticed every few weeks there is a new AI tool, ChatGPT, Bard, Cloud, Copilot. Everyone's talking about how this one is better or that one is smarter. And then suddenly Google launches something called Vertex AI Studio. And you are like, wait, another one? What's this even for? Trust me, you're not alone. Even developers and cloud engineers get confused because all these tools sounds like they do same thing, but here's the secret, they don't. Each has a purpose, and today I'll make it so simple that by the end of this video you will never mix them up again. So here's the real issue. Most people are using AI tools without understanding how AI actually works. Tools like ChatGPT or Bard are made for end users, people who want quick answer, creative writing, or brainstorming. But what if you want to build your own AI system, like train a model using your company's data, deploy it as an API, or integrate it directly into your app or website? That's where things fall apart for most people. They think ChatGPT or Bard can do it, but those tools don't give you control. You can't train your own data, you can't customize responses deeply, and you can't manage how it scales. And that's where Google Vertex AI steps in. It's not another chatbot, it's the workshop where chatbots are made. Okay, so what's Vertex AI actually is? So, in simple words, think of Vertex AI as Google Cloud AI Factory. If ChatGPT is like a finished car you can drive, then Vertex AI is the entire assembly line where you can design, build, test, and customize your own car. You can use Google's ready made AI models like Gemini, train your own models using your data, deploy those deploy those models into production, and even build your own ChatGPT style interface. The best part, you don't have to be machine learning expert. Google handles the infrastructure. You just focus on what you want your model to do. So Vertex AI isn't competing with ChatGPT. It's the power user and developer used to build like ChatGPT. Now let's move to the demo part. Okay, I've already logged into Google Cloud. You can see that. Now will search Vertex AI Studio. I've already written that. So you can see in the top result Vertex AI Studio. Click on that. So today mostly I'll show you what different options are available in Vertex AI Studio. What each option means. So today we are not going to build any AI or any models. We will mostly understand what different options are available in Vertex AI Studio and what different options are used for what purposes. Maybe in the next video, I'll be doing a demo, creating I'll creating an app using Vertex AI Studio. Yeah, but in this, we'll mostly go through what different options available in Vertex AI. So as I've already in Vertex AI Studio, so you can see there are one option where you can write the prompt, and below to that you have multiple options like build an app, create an app from prompt, native image, and shows a menu and VO 3.1 preview. So let's say if we click on new, what it says. So yeah, it gives you different options such as if you want chat, images, video, music, speech, live or build. So let's click on chat. Okay, so as you click on chat, you can see few options. Write a prompt, is already there, and then there is it's a name of your prompt, so you can change that if you want. You can have it demo, something like that you can write. And then there are option preview code, and then next is model setting, so which model you want to use. So just click on that. So you can see there are three options. One is Gemini 2.5 flash light preview, most balanced model for low latency use cases, or Gemini 2.5 flash preview. It's a standard reasoning model that allows you to more control over how model thinks. And the last one is Gemini 2.5 flash images. And also you can see here it shows like what it's best for, what's the use cases for. So in this case, Gemini 2.5 flash preview is used for best for multimodal understanding, reasoning, coding, and use cases are like reason over complex problem, show the thinking process of the module, control how many tokens the model thinking uses. So yeah, all those details you can see here. And then system instructions. So system instructions are like that. You can suggest your model to behave like the particular agent. Like for example, I'll make this model to behave like a insurance agent. As you already know, insurance agent is like who sells insurance. So if I write here like you are an insurance agent, so this model will behave like that. And then here we can see there are multiple options. When you click on plus button, upload is like you can upload local files, you can provide URLs, or if you want to import from cloud storage, you can do that. Google Drive, you can do that. If you have some YouTube video link, you can do that. In examples, like let's say click on examples. So it's example help the model to understand what's appropriate model response look like. You can write your own example input and output, or use the test scenarios, test sections to save a real response as an example. You can also add a prefix which will be appended to every example. For instance, question and answer. So like that, you can do that. Let's say documentation is there. So if you want to understand more about Vertex AI, how this can be worked and how this is working, so you can go through this documentation as well. And if you click on setting, so yeah, settings are like you can change the theme and UI style, and API key is one more option. And last one is the how much, how is the usage and all those stuff. Let's check one more option, that is Vertex AI dashboard. So go and search that Vertex AI dashboard. So I have already searched that. So it's Vertex AI dashboard. So when you click on Vertex AI dashboard, so there are a lot of options as well. You can see that one of the options are like model garden. So it's like ready to use Google AI models, which Google has built and you can reuse. So in the left, you can see in the model collection tab, Google models is like 114, partner models 44, self deploy partner models as well 9. So click on Google models. So you can see there are Google available models that you can use and build the model. So you don't have to worry about building that model. So it's already there. You can use these modules. So I think that's all we had for demo today. So now I think we can wrap up our session. So before wrapping up, so what we have learned today. So today we have learned that Vertex AI really is, it's just not another chatbot, but Google's complete AI development platform. In the next video, we will actually go hands on. We will build a small AI model inside Vertex AI and deploy it. I will also show you a step by step how to make it respond to your own data. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and comment below. Zero to cloud, let's build the model. Thank you.